The Workflows tool on IIMAGINE allows you to create simple flow diagrams that explain what happens at each stage of any workflow. You can start with a template or create your own. There are two reasons for using these workflows. One is that it helps you map out what happens in any workflow in an organized way. The other reason that the information in the workflow will be made available to Cortex, so it will be able to review it and suggest ways to improve the workflow or use it as context to answer questions. Let's look at this template. If we click on Workflow Details, we can see that each workflow has a title, description, and objective. Objectives are very important, I imagine. It tells Cortex what you are actually trying to achieve, so make sure it's clear, up to date. If we click on a module in the canvas, the detail for the module appears in the left side panel. It looks more complex than it really is. This is just text about what should happen at each stage in the workflow. The only required field is the title, so you can easily create simple flow diagrams with titles only if you like. You can add tags. And there's a section for a KPI. You can give the KPI a title and include two numbers. One is the current value, and the other is the target value. You can also include a link. The current process field is where you enter information about what currently happens at this stage. The ideas for improvement field is where you enter your ideas about how to improve. You can also see buttons allowing you to duplicate or delete modules. If the diagram starts getting messy, you can click Auto Layout to clean it up.